subscribe, comment, and bell.
Okay, warning. I need to make by my own. This is not a request. And also, if you want to make request what Hurricane Dark gets grounded video and Bob and Buck gets grounded video, please tell me in the comment what Hurricane Dark and Bob and Buck gets grounded video shall I make. Anyways, today's video is Hurricane Dark robs Give a Monkey and get grounded. Grab some snacks and enjoy this show. I'm bored. There's nothing to do. Wait a minute. I'm gonna rob Give a Monkey. Ha 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 ha. Hey Birdie Channel. Good thingy. We played Roblox together. Who are you? Yeah, who are you? My name is Hurricane Dark, and I'm gonna steal Give a Monkey. No, don't you dare. Yeah, don't. No! Ha ha ha. No! He stole Give a Monkey. No! Ha 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 ha. Hold it right there. Boss to Bus Fans 2020. What are you doing? Well, Hurricane Dark, you are under arrest for stealing Birdie Channel's Give a Monkey. Oh my goodness. Yeah, send me back to Birdie Channel. Okay, I'll send you. You're coming with me. Oh no. Here's Give a Monkey. Thank you. I'm taking you to jail. You'll stay in jail for 12 months. What? But it's gonna be the waste of 2023. I don't care. And you also have a visitor. Oh no. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hurricane Dark. I can't believe you stole Give a Monkey. That's it. You know you shouldn't rob Give a Monkey. That's it. You are grounded until May, which is May Day. Stay in jail until you can get out on the last day of 2023. Why?
This is the end of our show, guys. Rainy Bus to Bus Fans 2020. The end of Boss to Bus Fans 2020. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.